Hello, Paparts! Welcome to Sir Parts Talks. Ngayon, guys, we're going to have a poem. How can I earn 6.7 billion pesos? Hello, guys. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, good noon, good evening sa ating lahat ng mga Pilipino sa buong mundo at sa ating mga katao worldwide. And we're going to render a poem titled How Can I Earn 6.7 Billion Pesos? So this particular point, I was helped using the chat GPT, and I hope you are entertained on this particular poem. And let's start. How can I earn 6.7 billion pesos? I once asked the question late at night while staring at bills under a dim yellow light. How can I earn 6.7 billion pesos? I said. Then my calculator fainted and fell off the bed. 6.7 billion, what a gigantic dream. It's not just big money, it's a financial extreme. If I save 1 peso every single day, I'll reach it in about 18 million years, they say. So I thought maybe I should sell fish balls instead, but I computed again and scratched my head. Even if I sell fish balls from sunrise to moon, 6.7 billion is not coming soon. Maybe I should invent a brand new app, something addictive like a viral trap. An app that reminds people when to eat rice and charges a peso for every advice. Or maybe I should start a business so wide with products that travel from countryside to city side because fortunes aren't built in a single day. They grow like bamboo, slowed in suddenly boom, they say. I realize the billion is not the real prize. It's the value you give that makes wealth rise. Solve a problem, help many people succeed, and money will follow like a planted seed. 6.7 billion, it's not just cash in a vault. It's millions of lives helped. That's the real result. For wealth isn't measured by coins that you store, but by how many doors your hard work opens for more. So I stopped chasing billions with worry and stress and started chasing impact, service, and progress. Because when you help thousands, maybe even millions too, one day those billions might start chasing you. Thank you very much, Paparts, on this particular presentation, and I hope you like it. And yeah, this is our. We are going to produce poems, no. By the way, the poem was um, the idea is mine. How to earn 6.7 billion pesos. And yeah, you know that number. That number is very popular nowadays. And yeah, what is important there is not the amount, but by the impact, service, and progress that you really you gave to the humanity, to the people around you. And yeah, I invite everyone to be like me, sharing their thoughts or create some content that would help many people around the world. That's the impact. No, that's the impact. And thank you very much, and I hope you like it. And thank you. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all my FB friends, Paparts, for continued support in our what you call this one, in our Facebook, and also Serpart. So I'd like to invite everyone to also subscribe our YouTube channel, Serparts. And I gonna greet happy birthday. Gonna sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa ating mga friends. Shihana, Boss MTTOM Salimo, Ernest Biradlaho, Mariel Chalan, Jairi Saing, Sharwina Gano Garzon, Joe Ojales, Bong Vanguardia, and Land Hajim, Aunt May Arcelias, Maymay Arcelias. So, happy birthday, Paparts. And thank you sa mga mga reactions, no? Mga reactions sa palike ni Ali Jihada and Troy C. Lasco. Thank you very much sa palike. Shout out din kay Paul Christian Buhay, Yana Cases Villag, and one other. Sino ba si one other? Yana Cases Villag, Alsheri Kiran, Paul Christian Buhay, and Jana Cases Villag. Then, sino pa? Ayan guys, thank you sa
Mother's Day special.
thank you kay Jerome Montimor, Joan Ibarli, and two others. Sino ba yung two others? Thank you kay Jerome Montimor, Joan Ibarli, Fuchsia Phoenix, Denizon at Virginia 14. Thank you very much for your reactions sa ating video about Mother's Day special na Bisaya Talks. And thank you sa love Nelmar Manamat Taupan, Mary Jane Moras Bambalan, Alsheri Kiran sa atin na post about our task this week. Then thank you very much sa ating Happy Mother's Day na Filipino. Yan, thank you for the love. Leah Celestial, Jerry Alas, and Dr. Edeltruda Adaro Donaire Ibarsabal, ating ninang. And also, thank you sa ating English na talk. Yan. Sino-sino ba to guys? Shout out kay Pahart, Jerome Montimor, Joan Ibarle, Shiana Albane, Mary Jane Moras Bambalan, Rosemary Tormis Ulasiman, Alishni Kiran, Angeli Moras Astil, Jocelyn Padol Abrelio. Yan. Mergy Bohols, Jumari Madali, Dr. Dave Marshall, Alma Oy, Brian Bantayanon, Lorimer Lagunero, Way, Truth, and Life. Ayan, sa palike. And take care, Narila Rodolfo, and Pawaw Rosinito Tagulo. Ayan, thank you very much. At sa pa-comment, may greet. Sino ba nag-comment dito guys? Thank you sa comment. Maganda po na meron din po kayong comment. Joan Ibarle, thank you. Shout out sa iyo Joan Ibarle. Yan sa pa-comment. At pwede pa shout out dira sir sa ako mama ug papa taga Kayatian Ibali family. Thank you. Shout out kay kuan papa ug mama ni Joan Ibarle diya sa Kayatian. Yan pa shout out. And sa post na to nga pakatawa, text post nga gihimo. Thank you very much sa inyuhang mga comments, palab ni Joan Ibarle, Angela Igtos, Patricia Tuturan, Alshinere Kiran, Anita Golki ng USA, palay kay Roldan Sabihon Yu at Dr. Edeltruda Ibarsabal, and pakatawa gikan ni Jeneline Apatan Api. Yan, kumusta Jen? Then sa atong pictures nga i-post, daghang kay salamat sa inyong mga likes, hearts. Dunay 33 ka love, 17 ka likes, tulo ka take care, tulo ka wow, ug iska buok na sad. Okay. Kinay na sad guys. I don't know nga no na sad. Okay, so kinsa man ni sila. Shout out sa 33 ka naglab. Rahima Durasman, Che Vihong Noruda Lakit, Arlene Salvador, MJ Bardago Montina Igtos, Sarvin Wahab, Maridel Miswali, Amira Tamyang, Jackie Logitaw, Aluna Lihal Najal, Christina Lagbas Aligaw, Mary Jane Moras Bambalan, Anita Gualke, Glenn D.P. Felizarta, Alsneri Kiran, Joan Ibarli, Evelyn Solana Ando, Lawrence Wen Bacabis, Izel Nalfa, Jamil Muluk, Jerome Montimor, Kopal Kaba, RP Silisana Espejo, yan, nanak. Thank you sa love. Maria Gerson, Halid B, Angela Igdos, Raymond Sanghilan, and Gigi Alporque. Monipolio, requested ng add friend. And Jen Elonia Sali. Ayan, thank you for the love. And for the likes, Jama Cha, Paul Christian Buhay, Mustala Andan Saluan, Germana Partosa, Pele Pasinabo, Cedric Tambag, Laidan, Hello Genius, Betty Saluga Caldio, Clever and Bright, Diga Jimmy, Arsene Padilla Tumangkis. Hello Arsene, musta Ars? Brian Bantayanon, Lee Kumpis, Muhammad Sali, Mangundato Alipada, Ancol Gawik, Al Kreski, Kuya Rams Villag. Ayan. At Paker, thank you. Raz Dawami, Regine Kua, Eliza Len Amangpang Favorada, and Pawaw Kaoms Leseltan, ato ani nga classmate nga negosyante, and Nicole Promise Joy Sanson, and sa pasad na reaction Divina Torrefranca Zarandona. Ayan, so nag friend request tayo guys, and yun, maraming salamat sa palove unlike Shihana Albani and Haria. Ayun, maraming salamat and thank you guys. I hope you like our poem. And yeah, it's really difficult to earn 6.7 billion pesos, but the important thing is the impact, the service you gave to the community. Thank you very much, my parts, and God bless everyone. See you tomorrow.